Hello. Cheers. It's been a while, and I say it like this because I haven't actually filmed sitting down, you know, for like a hot minute. I think it's been like 2 weeks or something. So I finally straightened my hair. I haven't had my hair straightened for like, it's been a while, but it grew so long. Don't mind my ratchet nails. I need to paint them, but yeah, I haven't had time to even sit down and paint them. Today I'm filming a chit chat get ready with me. Fun fact about me, I love looking at myself. So I brought a whole bunch of stuff with me. I'm not gonna mention them here, but obviously I will leave it linked down below. I swear I've said this 1,000 times. I sound weird when I'm getting sick. I've been dying to get this shampoo and conditioner, and I'm finally getting it today. I like saw so many reviews. Something that I hate is wetting my hair when I have to prime with a spray. This spray, I don't know if you guys can see it like this. It like spritz like straight. It's like not like sparse, it's like super straight. To be honest, I don't enjoy this. It's like right there, like half the freaking spray. But I also like it because it doesn't get all over my hair. Watch me that now that I'm filming this, I have nothing to say. Pried my eyes and I set it with the today's palette I'm using. You guys like it when I do that, like today's palette? I have a thing for eyeshadow palettes. I think my favorite stuff out of the whole makeup, it's like eyeshadows, because between eyeshadows and bronzers, because I love, lately I have been loving bronzers, but these, oh, they match, they're both white, are today's palettes. The Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette with Morphe, the collaboration, and the Kristen Dominic latte palette. I set my eyes with the color Vanilla Cream. I'm trying my best to keep it clean. I already have a mark right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think that was me. I think that was my sister when she did my makeup. Let's talk about that. That's what I wanted to come around here and just talk about, because I didn't think that it was that bad until I started editing that video. I was like, I don't know if that's one of my shortest videos. I don't think so. I think I have a video, another one that I did a long years ago where it was like 3 or 4 minutes. By the time you guys see this, it's probably up because I probably was gonna put it up by like the beginning of May. I'm dividing the videos in between because the ones I had pre-filmed before this video, they're still not up. By the time you guys see this, I will be putting them in between. I learned how to edit faster, and now I can literally, my sister's video, it was like the video that I did with my sister, I swear you guys, it was 30 minutes long or an hour, and I cut it down for 4 minutes in like an hour. I edit that whole video, I put music, everything in an hour, and I was like so impressed. So you know that moment when you're like, oh, this eye blends better than this one? That's me right now. Do you see that eyeshadow? I want this video to be long, but not like that long, you know, you feel me? I had a little bit of malfunction. My shirt got dirty, so finished with the top of my eyes. I'm missing the bottom. So I wanted to talk about why I was completely gone for 2 weeks. One, I've had a lot of work, like college work. If you guys know, for those who know and are Puerto Rican, when it comes to the month of May, those college students, I'm like here waiting for the foundation. I'm trying to suck the life out of this so I can throw it away and get a new one, because yeah, I haven't used it in a hot minute and I forgot how much I loved it. I love it again. Lately what I do is like I wait till it's completely down and then I like apply it like that. So the month of May is here, and although I don't finish on the month of May, I actually finish the month of June, like early June, literally the first week of June. I still have finals on May because like it's like ending on late May and the beginning of June, you know. I have a lot of work in my college, and that's why I haven't filmed a lot, because for those who don't know, I study in my college. I like take classes. I'm currently I'm currently taking online classes. It is harder, from experience, it's harder online than going in person, you know, like to an actual college. But so far so good. I've done it and I've passed. I'm almost done with my college, but I'm actually gonna keep studying something else after I finish this. I was supposed to graduate next year, but with the whole Maria stuff, I completely atrasarme, and I don't know how to say it in English, so I'm gonna say it in Spanish. Now I'm supposed to graduate. I have classes that I still haven't finished. Probably by next year I'll be done, and then the other year I'll be able to graduate. So with this foundation, I have lately loved applying it first with a brush and then setting it against my skin with a beauty blender, and I love the fact that it leaves me so smooth. I'm sorry if I'm not looking here and like looking at here like if I was talking to myself, but it's just I don't want to get a small mirror because like I said, I always cover and it's always out of focus and I don't like it. That's where I've been. And I've been going through some things on my personal life as well, so I haven't really been, and also it's a couple of things, because I've also completely been uninspired to film and makeup tutorials and stuff like that. I don't know why, I just feel like I've been in a funk lately and I don't really like it, but it's always good taking a break. If you feel like you deserve and you need the break, take it. Trust me, take it if you need to. That'll make you feel better. So tomorrow, Wednesday, I'm getting a chest procedure done. I put this on my Snapchat, and I swear between 10 and 15 girls came at me, like they DM'd me and they were like, are you getting your boobs done? And I was like, no. It doesn't mean that I'm getting my boobs done. I'm actually, oh my god, it was already broken by the way, but I almost got it all over the shades. It's a little personal. It's not boobs. I'm not getting my boobs done, trust me. No. That was so funny when I read that. I was like, what? No. I am actually, very few people know about it. Literally like very few people, like my parents and my boyfriend, and that's it, I think, and my grandparents. But a long time ago, like you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, like in one of my vlogs I said that I had chest pains, and so I'm getting some tests done because of something that I'm planning that I can't talk about yet, but I need to get a whole bunch of tests done, so when the plan is there, I'm sure of what I'm getting myself into, you know, health-wise. I mean, just checking my health. It's not a risky procedure at all. A lot of people were like, oh, is it risky or something? Should we pray for you? I mean, I would ask for it to pray for me because it's painful. They told me it's really, really painful. So that's why it's gonna take time to recuperate. I said that word again. Recover. So I am nervous for the pain because I have very high pain tolerance. I literally feel anything. When they operated this finger, which the reason why I don't paint my nails is because I have my finger, that finger's like sick. I've gotten operated that finger 3 times and it grows the same. It really, really sucks, but yeah, I know, 3 times. The first time I got it done, 2 times it was with the same doctor, and then the 3rd one it was with a different one, and it still grew the same. And then the first time I got operated, the doctor put, like, you know, he slaved my finger with the injection, and I literally, you guys, kid you not, I felt everything. I felt when he was taking I know it's TMI and I don't even like to talk about it because it cringes, but when he started taking, like, lifting my nail to take it off, I was like, stop, I can feel that. And he literally, I couldn't feel the finger, like the ends part, but I could feel from here to the top, and where he put the injection was down here. So I was like, can you put more? And he literally said, okay, I'll put more just so you don't feel anything. I was like, I don't want to feel anything. Like, I can feel anything. That's why I said I'm gonna pre-film, because I haven't done shit. I haven't filmed for like 2 weeks, and then I'm not gonna be gone for like another week, and it's not okay. So probably next week I'll film late, like on Friday or something, because it takes long to recover. This powder, you guys, this powder is everything. I'm obsessed with this. This is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. This is a banana powder, but powder. I'm checking that everything is well blended. I don't bake with this powder. You don't want to do that. That's a mistake. I baked once, and I also saw Casey Holmes. I think she baked. She was like, no, this is not made for baking. This is made for setting your under eye. No, don't bake. The way that it leaves your under eye soft. Can you guys see this? Like, you can't see any imperfections. The way I've been taking care of my skin lately is taking money out of my life, but it's been worth it because my skin is getting much better. I last week purchased the Glam Glow mask, which Finally I did it. I know I took so long, I'm sorry. But I had to think about that. I take the airspun powder and I bake my smile lines, because I kid you not, I smile so much that my smile lines come like this. They line themselves quick. I don't like to put a lot because this brightens your under eye. Like if you set under your eye, like wherever you set, it'll brighten the area where you set it. So what I do is I don't leave it for that long. Today we're trying a first impression. I received this on the Ulta package and I have not used it. I see this every single time I go to Walgreens and I've wanted it, but yo, I think this is $19. Oh, it expires in 6 months. I'm gonna have to use the life out of it. I honestly, now that I see it, I kind of say like, yo, I want to try that banana shade. This is called the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. As you guys can see, it has like cool tones. That was my bone. I'm gonna literally bronze with this. I don't know, well, I'm gonna contour first, but obviously if I like the shade, I will look like it was bronze, because I'm not gonna bronze my face. I don't think I am. I didn't bring a bronzer now. I want to go with this shade. I have to put my hair up because it's getting hot. So far so good with the contour. I feel like I didn't contour enough on my forehead. I have a huge forehead, fun fact. Like maybe on camera you can't see it, but I'm just not big. But since I don't have bangs or anything around my forehead to cover it, it looks big. So now I'm gonna finish with my under eyes because I just noticed that I have not touched my under eyes. So a lot of you guys want a skincare routine. I said I was gonna give it to you guys when I have my whole skin cleared. I've been using this product lately and I did mention it in one of my recent vlogs. It's worked miracles on my skin. I used to use it before Maria and I don't know if it was that it expired or something, because I got a new one. I said, you know what, I'm gonna get a new one and see if it's that it got expired or something, and it worked good, amazing. And because I used, if the one that I had before I bought it, if it really was expired, then I get why it was really irritating my skin. Because when I started using it again after Maria, I was like, what the hell? And I literally broke out. It made me break out more, and I came to a point where I was like, yo, it looks like if I had acne. I want to wait till, like, my skin has been so smooth lately and I had so much texture going on around my skin that I was like not looking forward to doing my makeup. And now I play around. Yesterday I played around with my makeup and I like literally did my makeup for nothing. I had it on for like 2 hours and then I took it off, and I love how my makeup has been lately. My skin was looking so smooth, so good before Maria, and then Maria came and the whole climate change messed up my makeup, my skin. Now the L'Oreal mask, it's also amazing. I love it. I use it at night and I literally put it on before doing this makeup. I kid you not, it leaves your skin so smooth. How many times have I said I kid you not? I kid you not. Whenever I have to link down this BH Cosmetics blushes, I never find them online, so I just literally put the name on the description. And I don't know if you guys are in person, if you guys go to mine's, this one I got it from Marshall's, but I think in TJ Maxx they sell it. I don't know, I looked for it on TJ Maxx, I looked for it everywhere, even on the BH Cosmetics online store, and I didn't find it. I was like, you know what, I give up, I can't find it. I'm gonna literally apply very little. I'm gonna take a peachy color because lately I've been into peachy blushes. I think I've been doing my makeup for like an hour and a half here. Lately I've done my makeup, the way I've done the makeup, I've done it so fast. I've been like on the go. I'm trying to learn to do my makeup faster because you never know. What if you're in a hurry and you want to go full glam but you can't do it in less than an hour? I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. Using the shade Molten Gold. Okay, so I'm gonna wet the brush. This is the Morphe R36. I love this brush for highlighter. Also, I was looking on the Morphe page for that Jaclyn Hill favorite, like her favorite brushes. Did they discontinue it? Because I really wanted to get that, like the whole collection. I was like, yeah, I'm ready to buy it. And right when I enter, I literally cannot find it. I was like, no. Oh, lately I've been putting highlight all the way up here. I love this highlight. It's like a yellow gold color. It matches perfectly with my skin. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with lipstick. And for lipstick, I'm using, where are you? The Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. Someone's in a hurry. Baby. Okay, so I think I'm kind of going for 11, shade 11 and 1. I have used shade 11 so many times. It's the shade right here, and this is 1. I mixed them together and they made like a nice pinkish brownish nude color. I've taken a break on Ophelia and bow and arrow. I just want to experience more with lipsticks because I feel like I'm always using the same ones, and I have so many lipstick and I always use the same ones. So I like to keep myself really focused, like really focused when I'm doing my lips. And then we got full glam. Not like a live update because I've been uploading perfectly fine. Last week I did upload twice and I only put like a vlog, part 1 and part 2, and then I took the weekend off and I didn't vlog. So it felt, I didn't have to be like, you have to vlog, you have to vlog. I'm gonna set my face with the Mario Badescu. You weren't recording. How dare you? Look how smooth my under eyes look. Now, I know what you guys are gonna say. Did you paint your hair again? No. Also, my roots are already coming out. Yeah. I think my hair got lighter. I don't know. I tried, you know that sample that the Ulta package came, that hair shampoo conditioner? I put that and it was yellow. And so I feel like it got lighter. Clear the music. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this chit chat get ready with me. This time I literally, the last time I did it, I feel like I didn't have a lot to talk about, and I said let's film a chit chat get ready with me, and I literally had nothing. I feel like this is more of like a chit chat get ready with me, you know? I hope that you guys enjoy this. I will see you guys on my next video. But obviously I will leave it. I will leave it down. What's wrong with you? Hey. No, this is not happening to me right now. I'm currently twerking. Impresionante. That's not throwback. Bye. Oh my god, I'm so tired.